Hello, welcome back. Okay, so today's tutorial is going to be a BoxyCharm unboxing. I'm going to unbox my BoxyCharm for this month, the month of November, and I'm going to show you guys what I got as well as how I use all the products in my box to achieve this look here. So if you like this look and you want to see how I did it, then please keep watching. Hello, welcome back. Okay, so today's tutorial is going to be on this month's BoxyCharm. This is the November BoxyCharm. I'm going to show you guys what I got in my box this month and how I use the products in my box this month. So every box, if you don't already know, I talk about this every month, but if you haven't seen my other BoxyCharm videos, or if you haven't heard of BoxyCharm before, BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription. It's like a monthly subscription makeup box. So every month you get 4 to 5 full-size products for $21. I think it's great. You don't get to choose your products. You kind of just get what they chose to put in the box this month, but I think it's cool because you get products that you might not normally pick. So, you know, maybe it's not something you would normally get at the store, but you end up loving it anyways because you got it in your BoxyCharm box and you're like, oh, I love this. Okay, so anyways, they always have this little card, fold-out brochure thing in the box, and this talks about all the products that come in the box as well as how much they retail for. So the first thing that I got in my box is this Cover FX glitter drops, and these are in the shade Nova. These retail for $44. So right there, your box is already worth your $21. The next thing that I got in my box is this eyeshadow palette from Ace Beauty. This is a palette featuring 4 shimmer shades and 4 bold matte shades, and it retails for $24.99. And let me show you. These are what the colors look like. So beautiful. All very pretty warm tones, and I'm really excited to play with these. I've never tried this brand, so I'm hoping that they're good. The next thing that I got in my box this month is this little eye brush set from Luxy Beauty. I got these 4 eyeshadow brushes, and these retail for $21. I also got these tweezers in my box this month. They're pretty cool because they're double-sided. So you have this like super fine point side and then flip it over and you have this side also. This is from Farrah. These tweezers retail for $12. And last but not least is this spray here. This is a makeup brush cleanser spray. And this is from Bodyography, and this 2-ounce bottle retails for $12, so that's pretty cool. Okay, so let's get started with this tutorial. Obviously, I've already done my face makeup, my eyebrows, and my lips. I'm only gonna do this tutorial using the products in this box, so I'm only gonna be showing you how I use the products in this box. I'm repeating myself, but you get it. I'm not gonna show you like my foundation and stuff like that, because this is just about the BoxyCharm. So anyways, before we get started, I'm going to zoom you guys in. By the way, I'm really pasty white right now. I need a tan. So I don't really know what my eye look is going to look like. I kind of have an idea of what I'm going to do, but I'm not really going to know how it's going to turn out until after because I'm just kind of working off the top of my head. But anyways, I'm going to start with this shade here called Cinnamon. I'm taking the shade on my Luxy 121 mini tapered brush, and I'm just going to work this into my crease. This is going to be my transition shade. Okay, so now that I've laid down my transition shade, I'm going to clean off this little brush because I want to use it for my next color. So I'm going to take my makeup brush cleanser and I'm just going to spray it on my brush. And then I'm just going to clean it off onto this little towel that I have. Next, I'm going to go in with this darker maroon shade called Poppy. So now I'm going to take this darker maroon shade and deepen my crease a little bit more using that same Luxy brush. And I'm kind of just packing this onto the area that I want it to be the most vibrant. By the way, these shadows seem to be pretty good. I'm not getting a lot of fallout. They seem to be pretty true to color and easy to work with. Okay, so now I've applied that maroon shade. I think I'm going to do like a little cut crease, so I'm going to cut my crease really quick off camera and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead, I cut my crease with some concealer. Now I'm going to go in with this shade right here called Rose. And I'm going to apply this with my Luxie 131 mini angled brush. This is a shimmer shade, and I'm just going to pack this on right over that concealer. You probably don't really need to cut your crease. I just feel like cutting your crease with concealer is going to make that eyeshadow pop a little bit more, but you don't necessarily need to do that. Okay, so now that I've applied that shimmery rose shade, I'm going to go back in with the Luxie 121 brush, the one that I applied this maroon shade with, and I'm going to go back in with a little bit of that maroon shade, and I'm just going to blend those two shades together right here where they meet, as well as just kind of blend over here in my crease. I'm doing this super lightly just so everything looks blended. I'm going to apply some mascara and some falsies, and I'll be right back to finish the lower lash line. Okay, so I threw some lashes on. Now we're going to get to the lower lash line. For the lower lash line, I'm going to take this little Luxie 141 mini round brush and that maroon shade that I used in my crease, and I'm just going to buff this along my lower lash line. I'm going to go back in with this little tapered blending brush and that brown shade that I used in the beginning, and I'm just going to buff this out even more. I'm going to connect it to this area up here and then just drag it back down, just kind of blending it out a little bit more. I love working with these smaller brushes because you get more control, I feel. Okay, so that's it for the eyes. I'm going to apply some mascara on my lower lashes and then we will move on. Okay, before I zoom you guys out, I'm just going to take these tweezers from the box and just kind of pluck all these little stragglies. I have a couple rogue little eyebrow hairs I need to get. I want to clean those up and try these tweezers out. They're actually pretty good. I really like them. Okay, I'm going to zoom you guys out. Okay, so the last product that I haven't used yet are these Cover FX glitter drops. I'm going to use these to highlight my face. I've never used them before. I'm kind of nervous. Also because they're a liquid and I'm going to be applying them over my face, which I've already set with a powder, but we'll see how these do. I've heard really good things about these and I've always wanted to try them, so I'm actually also very excited. Okay, so they're pretty liquidy, as you can see. Pretty liquidy. Okay, so I'm just going to take this dropper and just kind of dab it onto the area that I want to highlight, which would be my cheekbone area. It's very pretty. And I'm going to take my makeup sponge from Real Techniques and I'm just going to blend this out. Okay, so it seems like these dry pretty fast because they're already like dry and they're giving me a hard time while I'm blending them out. So let's see. Okay, so yeah, they're dry pretty quick, so work fast with these bad boys. It is a really pretty glow though. I don't know if I would recommend putting this over powder because I had put my foundation on and then I did set my face with powder, and let me look at a mirror closer. Actually, it doesn't look too bad and it didn't remove any of my face makeup. It actually looks pretty good. I actually really like them. They're actually really pretty. I think I would apply these though right after applying my liquid foundation. I would do my foundation and then put these on right over it before I set my face with powder. And I was actually able to get them to blend out, so that's good. Really pretty actually. Super nice as a highlight. I'm sure you can use these, you know, many different ways, but I'm using them as a highlight today. Very pretty. But I need a tan. It would probably look really nice on like some tan skin. Okay, so let's do the other side. Gotta work quick here. Okay, yeah, my only complaint is that they seem to dry pretty fast, so you gotta work really fast with these, but they are a really nice highlight. But it did remove the concealer that I had over this pimple. I'm gonna have to reapply right there because I don't want that pimple to show. Super pretty as a highlight though, no complaints. I like it. I'm just so white right now. I'm gonna just highlight the usual areas that I would highlight. I'm gonna try blending this area with my finger. I actually think I like blending it with my finger better. did a little too much on my nose. I'm like Rudolph right now. Oh well. So that is it for this BoxyCharm makeup tutorial slash unboxing, whatever you want to call it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and I hope you guys like this look. I really like it. My only complaint is that I am so white right now. I need a tan. Anyways, if you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing so you don't miss any of my future videos. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave any comments, questions, concerns in the comment section below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!